All right, so in this video, we're going to review condensing the log. So I'm going to do one like you're going to see on your review today. Okay, so I want to condense this log. So we're going backwards of what we just did. So when you condense, you're going to condense to a single log. Okay, so your answer, there will only be one log. Now, before you can condense, you have to handle any number in front of log. Well, there's a number right here. That number needs to be made back into an exponent. So now I have log base 6 of x plus log base 6 of y cubed plus log base 6 of z. Okay? Now that I've handled my exponents, I know my answer is going to be in a single log form. These are all being added, so that means they're going to be multiplied down here. So we're going to say x times y cubed times z. And that is your final answer for this one, okay? All right, so now I want to condense this log, okay? And again, the first thing you handle are any numbers in front of log. So this number needs to be made back into an exponent. This number needs to be made back into an exponent. So when I do that, I have log base 2 of x to the 7th minus log base 2 of z to the 8th, okay? Now that my exponents have been handled, I know I'm going to have one log as my answer. So I write my one log, my single guy, single lady, all right? Subtraction means I'm going to divide these. The first one is your numerator, the last is your denominator. So it's going to be x to the 7th divided by z to the 8th. And then that, my friends, is your answer, okay? All right, so last one we're going to do, it's going to be one of the harder ones, okay? So first things first, handle these numbers in front of log. Make them exponents. I don't care how big the numbers are. If that's a 100, it's still an exponent, all right? So when I rewrite this, I have log base 3 of x to the 21 plus log base 3 of z to the 20th minus log base 3 of v to the 5th, okay? Now that I've handled all my exponents, I can write my single log. So I'm going to write my single log, open up a parentheses. Now, follow the operations. The x and the z are being added, so they're going to be multiplied down here. Okay? I hit subtraction, so that means I'm going to hit division, and the v goes on the bottom. And then that is your final answer for this one. Okay, so I hope this is helping you guys out, but that's the end of the review, and let me know if you have any questions.